Richie Rich all day. That's what we do, shooting another video for you guys, man. But before we shoot the videos, you know what time it is. Alright, we back, man. Again, I want to thank you guys for subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you hit the like button, man. Like the videos, share the videos, hit the alert button. Whatever you can do to help us out, man, we appreciate it greatly. But now we back at it again. We're going to work on and evaluate another appliance. We're talking about the Samsung refrigerator. Alright, all the details is going to be located at the bottom of this video, so you'll be able to see what type of appliance it is. Alright, so today we're going to focus on pricing. Alright, so if you're looking at original pricing for this particular appliance, roughly we went to the Best Buy website. Alright, so Best Buy website, you're looking at about $4,000. Original retail price is probably like $4,700 now you can probably get it at a little discount. They're giving you some money off of it, so you're probably looking at about $4,000. That's without taxes. That's without anything incentives or anything like that they try to give you when you purchase appliances. All right. So right now in Best Buy, you're looking at $4,000. For this particular appliance, though, they have different versions depending on the cubic feet. All right. So if you're looking at a 22 cubic feet, you're probably looking at $4,000. If it's a 28 cubic feet, you're looking at $3,900, which is also $4,000. All right. So if you're looking at a 22.1 cubic feet, you're looking at $3,499, and that's without the display screen. So if you're getting a display screen, of course it's going to be more. Depending on the cubic feet, it's going to be more as well. If it's stainless steel in comparison to non-stainless steel, resistance, stainless steel fingerprint resistance, you might have to pay less. You'll pay more for that rather than pay less for the stainless steel. All right, so that's just me, just putting that information out there. All right, so that's one site. Let's go to Home Depot. Original retail price is about $4,500. That's without taxes. They're giving you a savings of $450 something, so that's about 10%. So right now, if you go to your local Home Depot website, you can get it at about $4,000. All right, so it's no different from the Best Buy website that you get it from, which is like $4,000. Again, like I stated before, depending on the model that you get, depending on the cubic feet, they got one 22.2 cubic feet. That's about $3,600. So you can get the same refrigerator, just depending on where the doors are. The ones that we're working on is with the 4 doors, the 2 suicide doors at the bottom, and then you got the suicide doors up top. So that's a little bit more expensive. But if you go with the freezer at the bottom, and then you have the little mini door that's on the front, that's a lot cheaper. That's about $3,600. If it's stainless steel with the same one with the freezer at the bottom, and then you have the small door that's right on top of that, that's about $3,400 as well. So it depends on where you're getting it from, depending on the style of the refrigerator that you get. That will dictate the price that you'll pay. So right now, it's the one that we showed in our intro video. You're looking at about $4,000 for that particular one, and that's at Home Depot. All right, for Lowe's. Lowe's is a pretty more expensive. Who would have thought? Like I stated before in all my videos, depending on where you get your appliances from or the service company that does come out, you got to factor in markup, different places, different prices. Same thing for this particular refrigerator price at Lowe's. You're looking at about $4,500. All right, and that's the one that we showed in the intro video. So Lowe's have that for about $4,500. If you get the same one with the 4 doors, the 4 suicide doors, it's called 4-door counter depth. That's how they describe it, so we're just going to put it as that. But that one you're looking at $4,400. All right, so as far as pricing for this particular refrigerator, it can go from $4,000 to about $3,600, and that's without taxes, without any markup. So depends on what it is that you want. It's all up to you. All right, so make sure that you do your research. You can also go to Scratch and Dent to see if they still have this particular appliance. So if it's dented a little bit, the door might be damaged, you might get it for a little bit cheaper than that as well. So you might want to investigate that, see how that works. All right, so now we're going to discuss the warranty aspect of this particular refrigerator. All right, so the Samsung refrigerator warranty comes with a limited warranty to the original purchaser. Alright, so again, that is only for the person that originally purchased that appliance that the warranty applies to. Outside of that, they won't accept it, but what they don't know won't hurt them. Alright, so it comes with a standard 1-year manufacturer warranty, parts and labor. Alright, and it has to be manufacturer defect, not cosmetics, not come out to instruct you how to use the appliance or teach you how to use the appliance. If your circuit breaker was the trip and they come and hit that circuit breaker, you're going to have to pay for that. Alright, so just keep that in mind. Only manufacturer defect in the parts. It also has a 5-year warranty, parts and labor on the seal system, refrigerator system only. Alright, so you're talking about the compressor, you're talking about the evaporator, you're talking about the condenser, you're talking about the dryer, and the connecting tubings. All these components are connected to your seal system on the refrigerator. So those are covered for 5 years, parts and labor. They also added a 10-year warranty for the part of the compressor. So your compressor, just the part, is good for 5 years. They also cover the compressor, like we stated in the previous description of the warranty. It has a 5-year for the labor of the compressor. So once it's out of the 5 years for the compressor, the only thing that you'll be responsible for as a customer is just they'll cover the part, but you have to pay the labor. Alright, so like I said, you're looking at a refrigerator that's remotely about $4,000. If your compressor goes bad, they'll cover the part, and then you have to pay the technician to come out to install the compressor. Alright, and of course they're going to have to be Samsung certified in order for them to accept and abide by their warranty. And always remember, please keep your receipt. Alright, receipt is important. Just staple it to the owner's manual, put it in a drawer somewhere you can find it, because I'm sure you're going to probably need it someday. Alright, again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, man. Again, your boy Richie Rich at Consumer Appliance Report. You help me, I help you, we help each other. So at this time, I am out. Peace till next time.